Yo, what is going on, guys? I am back with a brand new updated tutorial to show you how to get free Google Play gift card codes in 2026. This is the quickest and easiest method, allowing you to get a $100 gift card code, and it is super simple, guys. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you do smash a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am doing a huge gift card giveaway. So if you don't want to follow this method, you can go ahead and do this by liking and subscribing. But anyway, let's get into it, guys. I'm going to show you how to get free Google Play gift card codes. So you need to use your mobile phone internet browser and just quickly head on over to www.crashcoupons. Make sure you can actually type, guys, crashcoupons.com. And I found this website when I was searching for game codes, but I did notice if you search for Google, they have a Google Play $100 gift card code, and these are limited and very highly rated. So it only takes a few minutes to go ahead and get your free Google Play redeem code or gift card code. You simply enter this into the Google Play Store, and it is going to add $100 to your account. Now, these are limited. There's almost 1,000 codes, as you can see, but basically it prevents people getting thousands of dollars of codes. You can only do this once to get a $100 gift card code. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to be brought to this code unlocker here, guys. You just got to follow the instructions on this screen. It is super easy. You got to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. And as you can see, I have only 2 here, but you may see slightly more, and they're all completely free. And they're basically things like playing mobile games, installing mobile apps, answering surveys. As you can see in the red text here, it says follow the instructions below each app, and that is going to basically verify you're not a robot. So yeah, choose 2 tasks on this page and fully complete them, and it will then send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Google Play gift card code will be revealed in this box. And that is how to get a free $100 gift card. So really quick and easy, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Just head on over to Crash Coupons, and like I said, just use the search bar and search for the Google Play gift card code, and that is $100. So like and subscribe to be entered into a gift card giveaway if you don't want to do this, but it only takes about 5 minutes, so it is well worth it, and I'll see you in my next video.